Alright everyone, we're here at VIP Car Wash, and this is a first for me. Look at this oversized truck, like holy crap. But anyways, we're going to go through their car wash, so I'm going to pause to do the pay station real quick. See you guys. Alright, so it is a Ryko Radius HT. My very first. Get rid of that sun visor. See the Radius HT over there. We have some side blasters here. Alright, so it might buzz.
I know.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yep, there it is.
Thanks for the warning.
Yep. Alright, so I think it is sizing up the car. This is a tall bay. This thing is really tiny on this giant bay. Alright, so wheel scrub? Oh, okay, so we're doing pre-soak. I like that it has the signage that tells you what it's doing.
Yeah, me too. That really helps.
Yeah. Pretty good coating of pre-soak. That's an added point there. Pre-soak soaking, it says. Oh, it's applying more pre-soak. Ooh, this one is much thicker. A double pass of pre-soak, and the second pass is very thick. Gotta give that a...
That's a good point.
Yeah, gotta give it a point for that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It really covers the camera. It's so thick.
That's crazy.
You know, this pre-soak thickness reminds me a lot of that wash mold razor we did a while back.
Yeah.
This is pre-soak soaking.
Oh, good. Oh, you could see it.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to dissipate.
High impact. Oh, wow. I don't expect this. I don't expect this to be quiet. Watch out. Wasn't that loud, actually? It wasn't that loud.
High impact wash, it says.
Yeah.
Interesting. They're warning you. It would probably empty your pickup truck.
Very powerful. Wow.
Very.
Okay, so triple color.
Ooh, oh, and it's coming from both sides. I like it really that. Ooh, but it's kind of pitiful on your side.
Yeah, it didn't get the top at all.
Oof. That's too bad. And then a foaming wax. Wait a
I
minute.
know, rinse.
Okay.
That's definitely a point lost because it didn't get this top at all.
I know. Sad.
I like that it takes its time on the high pressure pass.
Yeah, I like that too.
Okay. Just going across the rear. So what are we doing now? It just says
Rinsing.
rinsing.
This might.
And we're
ooh.
dribbling something on the car.
I don't know if I like this. I hope this is
Super
not.
polish.
Okay. I was gonna say, I hope this is not their spot-free rinse, but.
It should say spot-free rinse on
Oh,
the
I know
thing.
it will.
Alright, we're still doing super polish. I'm assuming this is sealant. Ooh,
It is much better, whatever that is.
that really looked... Oh, here's spot-free rinse.
Looks like we drive through the blow dryers. There's not any on the gantry. It's good.
Oh, no, not yet. Very generous spot-free rinse pass.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Alright, so we'll see how well the dryers do.
I'm not expecting them to do great. There's not very many of them.
Well, that's what you expect on the slimlines. There aren't a lot on the slimlines.
I see. I like how you have a full minute. That's really generous.
Yeah.
You make up for being weak with giving you lots of time, which is really nice.
Yeah. These aren't the best dryers that I've ever seen, but they do a pretty good job.
If you go slow, they do.
Yeah. Very generous dryer time, too. We still have 30 seconds left.
Wow. So what are you thinking on the rating?
I'm thinking, minus the trifoam coverage, I'd say that's about a 9 out of 10 on that.
I'd
That's
say
a,
it's more like a 7, maybe 8. Well, 8, 9. Well, congratulations on giving it a good review.
Yeah, I'd say it's a 9 out of 10 because it was very generous on the spot-free rinse pass.
Yeah.
Very generous on the high-pressure pass.
Very generous on the blow dryer time.
Yeah, definitely. But it wasn't as good on the triple foam. It didn't get the top at all. So, yeah, definitely going to have to lose a point for that. But overall, it was a 9 out of 10. So, yeah, it was a good car wash.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.